everyone. Myself Prashant Kumar Das, Principal, the Mission School, Rajpalli, Jamtara. I would like to congratulate everyone and I would like to convey my good wishes well in advance for the forthcoming New Year 2024. बड़ी प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि आज वर्ष के अंत में विद्यालय में एक एग्जीबिशन शो का आयोजन किया गया, in which the students right from LKG to 10 took part very actively and they showed their excellent talent. Being a principal, what I found, आज हमारे बच्चों में काफी प्रतिभा है। इन प्रतिभाओं को जरूरत है एक अच्छा शिक्षक बनकर निहारने का। असीम संभावनाओं से भरा पड़ा है हमारे विद्यार्थी, बस जरूरत है एक सच्चे प्रयास का। I started the preparation for the exhibition show for last couple of days back, and within a couple of days the student presented before the scholars, educationists, and revered parents. Really that is amazing. मुझे विश्वास है कि अगर हमारे शिक्षक ईमानदारी से अपने कर्तव्य पथ पर चलता रहे तो वो दिन दूर नहीं जब इस विद्यालय से पास आउट होकर बच्चे नीट क्वालिफाई करेंगे, जेई मेंस एडवांस क्वालिफाई करेंगे, यूपीएससी की तैयारी करेंगे। चूंकि अगर बच्चों का फाउंडेशन मजबूत होता है तो निश्चित रूप से वह इमारत खूबसूरत होगा। अतः मैं तमाम अपने आदरणीय अभिभावकों से, learned people of this township, I would like to appeal everyone to visit us and see how we are imparting quality education among the children of this school. हमारी कोशिश होती है कि कम से कम खर्च में बच्चे का समुचित विकास, holistic development, all round development, how we can ensure at the affordable cost. चूंकि आज भी हमारे देश में गरीबी है, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लोग हैं, वैसे बच्चे क्वालिटी एजुकेशन से वंचित न रह जाए, इसके लिए मैं दशकों से प्रयास करते आ रहा हूं और उसी प्रयास का परिणाम है कि आज मिशन स्कूल आप लोगों के समक्ष एक ग्रोइंग स्कूल जो क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के साथ कभी कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करता है। हम कोशिश करते हैं हमारे शिक्षकों के वर्कशॉप के जरिए कि बच्चों में दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू इनकलकेट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिसिप्लिन, बिकॉज विदाउट डिसिप्लिन, if we are receiving education, if we are imparting education, that would be valueless. हमारी कोशिश होती है बच्चों में शिष्टाचार की नींव, एक रिफाइंड कल्चर की नींव हम उसके बचपन में ही डाल दे, बिकॉज इट इज नोन that the child is the father of the man.
Good morning, sir. Most welcome to our exhibition. So, I am Khushi Kumari of Standard 7, representing the model of Parliament. It is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. Our Parliament is a bicameral Parliament which comprises both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It has been designed by Vimal Patel. It is situated at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. It has three entrances named as Gyan Dwar, Knowledge Gate, Karma Dwar, Karma Gate, and Shakti Dwar, Power Gate. Thank you, sir, for visiting to our exhibition.
Good morning, sir. Most welcome to our exhibition show. I am Devjit Sranasavan, representing the model of Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is the official residence of the President of India. It was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens in 1929. Earlier, it was also known as the Viceroy's House. The Rashtrapati Bhavan has 340 rooms spread over 4 floors. The main building covers an area of 5 acres, and the famous Mughal gardens have been renamed as Amrit Udyan, which cover an area of 15 acres and has 159 varieties of roses and other varieties of flowers. The garden is open for visitors from January to March. Thank you, sir, for visiting our exhibition and have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our exhibition show. I am Pari Kumari of Standard 5. I am representing the model of India Gate. India Gate is a war memorial situated at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. It was built to honor the 80,000 British Indian Army soldiers martyred during the First World War. It was officially inaugurated in 1931. India Gate represents the bravery and sacrifice of Indian soldiers. Thank you, sir, for visiting our exhibition show.
Good morning, sir. Most welcome to our exhibition show. I am Somnath Mandal of Standard 10, representing the model of Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a very beautiful monument in history of India. It is built in 1199 to 1220 by Qutbuddin Aibak and Iltutmish.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Most welcome to our exhibition. So, myself, Mansi Kumari Roy of Standard 5, representing the model of the effect of acid rain. Acid rain is a form of precipitation with acid like sulfuric or nitric acid formed when nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide released from factory mixed with air. It mixes with sea or ocean water and can harm aquatic animals. It can cause skin cancer in humans. Thank you, sir, and ma'am, for visiting our exhibition. So,
Good morning, sir. Most welcome to our exhibition. So, I am Varsha Kumari of Standard 6, representing the model of the solar eclipse. This is sun, this is earth, and this is moon. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. As a result, the moon blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth's surface and casts a shadow on it. Thank you, sir, for visiting our exhibition.
So, I am Linda from class 9.
I am Sripat of Standard 8, representing the model of the solar system.
The solar system consists of 8 planets. The sun is the center of solar system. Our planet, the Earth, is third planet in the solar system. In the term of distance from the sun, it is only planet with support life.
The sequence of the planet is the term of their increasing the distance. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Most welcome to our exhibition. So, I am Rashi Kumari of Standard 5, representing the model of pollution. Basically, pollution is the presence of harmful substance in the environment. There are mainly 3 types of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Smoke and harmful gases released by industries and factories cause air pollution. Industrial waste, sewage, etc. contribute to water pollution. Sound of vehicles, loudspeakers, etc. cause noise pollution. That's all from my side. Thank you, sir, for visiting our
right part of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. That is the portrait of. This is a model of articles. An article is a word that used to indicate that noun is noun without describing it. In English, there are 3 articles: a, an, and the.
synonyms. Synonyms are words that have same meaning as another word.
Right now, where we are, so all the successful exhibitions, so if all about the credit will be asked to me, all the credit goes to both the guides, the teachers, and the endless effort of the students, the interest of the parents. So being a head of the school, I would like to suggest, I would like to request everyone, after having the light refreshment, we shall talk and make. But dear students, if you are the flowers, we teachers are the root. We are trying to give you the proper nourishment so that you can transform your life as a beautiful citizen. Really, very gracious moment, rapturous moment, pleasurous moment, having your scholars, really the school family feel very gratitude, very grateful to all who spared their precious time and give a boost and encourage the students. So Datta sir, ensure the refreshment of each and every. After that, there will be a very short discussion session all about the exhibition show and how we can give a beautiful look to the mission school, your pride, your glory. Just I have a few words to share. You see how the students and teachers 11th of this month, and we completed the second terminal examination by 20th of this month. I mean studying and creativity both went hand in hand, but I cannot ever memorable contribution of Anjana ma'am, my former student. Without caring her baby, she came, gave her precious time, guided the teeny thoughts. Loud of applause for Anjana ma'am for her excellent guiding. A big round, a growing child, a growing India you can see. I would like to call none than Nisha Maji. Yes, now come forward, Nisha. So once again, I would like to urge everyone to give a big round of applause for Nisha Maji. And at the bottom, the service, the dedication. Round of applause for Surojit sir, the real hero, champion. He obeyed my every word and executed, accomplished his assigned job very timely. Very really, I am very fortunate having such a loyal and sincere team of teaching staff in such a decent and perfect way. At the same time, the love of God, the attachment, the compassion of Nancy ma'am. She has also a very small kid. Without caring her kid, she came. Once I made a call a couple of days back. As soon as I talked with her, without any questioning, she gave her consent. Yes, sir, I am coming from tomorrow. So her greatness, her attachment with the students, right? The students right from LKG. Can you imagine? They are preparing to present their present a song in her honor. Clapping must go on, clapping. This is the time of clapping. And a certificate of appreciation for her contribution to make this exhibition. Okay, yes, give a big round of applause. And now I would like to call Najmal, please come and give the honor. And now I would like to call Himanshu sir to present her, to honor her gift of appreciation. A big clapping, a big round of clapping. In days to come, we are just at the verge of the ending of the 2023. Today it is 30th of December. Only single day is left with us to enjoy 23. But I pray to Almighty to grant you all success in New Year. A very happy New Year. Thank you. I hope your same kind of cooperation to expand the idea and ideology that bears the mission school, you all will make it successful. With this, I am stopping. Thank you. Thank you, sir. मैं अंत में ये कहना चाहूँगा सभी लोगों से, विद्यालय से जुड़े और इस शिक्षा की मुहिम को अनब्रोकन चेन के तरह चलाते रहें। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं आपके हृदय में जो आपके बच्चों के लिए सपना संजोए हुए हैं, द ड्रीम दैट यू हैव ड्रीम्ड टू रियलाइज, आई वुड लाइक टू कमिट यू that till my last breath, I shall keep on trying to inculcate all the human values among your children. Thank you, sir. आप सबों के सहयोग और समर्थन के लिए बहुत बहुत आभार और धन्यवाद।